So earlier we discussed about the MEMS devices, right? What are those? How can these MEMS devices are defined, and what are those MEMS and NEMS? How the size play a important role in the fabrication or in the attractiveness of these MEMS devices. Now, the very most important, what are the components of this uh, these devices, right? So, what are the component of MEMS systems? Okay, so there are four essentials or four basic components which are very important are microelectronics, right? And microsensor and microactuator and the microstructure, right? So we will go through one by one about these, these um, component, right? So like these are basic and very important because uh, अगर ये चारों के चारों नहीं होंगे तो मेरा जो इंटीग्रेटेड सिस्टम है या जो असेंबली है वो कंप्लीट नहीं होगी, ठीक है? तो दीज आर द मोस्ट इसेंशियल पार्ट्स ऑफ द MEMS सिस्टम, राइट? और NEMS सिस्टम, अगर मैं यहाँ पे NEMS सिस्टम की बात करता हूँ देन इट विल बी a nano electronics and nano sensor, nano actuator and nano structure, right? So first we will go through what is the microelectronics, right? Because microelectronics is very 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 important, you can say, very important, like all the four are very important, right? Microelectronics, you can say, is a type of brain of the system, right? जैसे कि हमारी की human body, अगर we talk about the human body, so if we sense something, so or if we see something, or if you hear something, or you smell something, so that this is the physical data we are absorbing from the environment, right? And that will go into your brain. Then your brain will decide that okay, now this is a chili because I'm just smelling and I tasted it, and yeah, this is the temperature is like that, and yes, I can sense it. So all type of sensing, the after sensing the things, your brain will decide that okay, that it is, right? So microelectronics is a component that like this, you can call it the brain of this system, ठीक है? that receive data, and after receiving it, it process it and then make the decision, ठीक है? This component totally act as a brain of the system, right? So it, what it is, like, it receives data from the environment, it process it and make the decision. But the thing is, from where these this data come, right? From where this data come? So like uh, uh, micro sensor in the MEMS, right? अगर ये डेटा कहीं से आ रहा है, क्योंकि रिसीव कर रहे हो ना तुम डेटा, माइक्रो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्या कर रहा है, डेटा को रिसीव कर रहा है, तो वो डेटा रिसीव, इट इज ए रिसीवर, तो उसको प्रोवाइड कौन करा रहा है? दिस इज द मीन दैट माइक्रो सेंसर जो है वो माइक्रो सेंसर इज providing the data to the microelectronics for processing it, right? So if I talk about the micro sensor, तो आप ये बोल सकते हो कि yes, it is the arm, eyes and nose of the system, right? This component act as a arms, eyes and nose of system that will sense or that will receive data from the environment and gather the data from the surrounding and pass the information to the microelectronics for the processing, ठीक है? Right? So, and these sensor can monitor mechanical, thermal, biological chemical, optical, and magnetic readings, right, from the surrounding environment, right? Those sensors, those micro sensors can monitor the mechanical, the thermal, biological, chemical, optical, and magnetic reading from the surrounding environment, right? So this is another component. Now I'll come to the micro actuators, right? See, these micro sensor and micro actuator or sensor and actuators comes under the transducer, right? Transducer. So the both you can call them the we'll discuss that why we call the transducer दोनों को हम क्यों बोलते हैं, right? तो माइक्रो एक्चुएटर एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, ये एक्ट करता है सच एक्ट इट एक्ट एज ए स्विच और यू कैन से द ट्रिगर, लेकिन वो ट्रिगर किसके लिए, फॉर व्हाट, टू एक्टिवेट एन एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस, राइट? It acts as a switch or a trigger for what? To activate an external device. So microsensors send the data to the microelectronic to process the data. Now it is making decisions on the basis of this data. Sometime what happens? The decision will involve the activating an external device. If the decision is reached, the microelectronics will tell that the micro actuator to activate that device, right? So, like this is the main function of actuators, to make the things happen, to activate the external device. लेकिन ये एक्टिवेट करने के लिए कौन बताएगा, ये एक्टिवेट करने के लिए कौन बताएगा, माइक्रो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बताएगा, क्योंकि वही है, वही पूरे घर का मालिक है, वही बोलेगा तेरे को कि यस okay, about this was the data, I processed it, and I came to the decision, this is the decision, so you can activate now, right? तो माइक्रो एक्चुएटर क्या करेगा, काम करेगा, उसको तो अपना चाहिए कि हाँ ठीक है, इधर से मेरे को आदेश मिला, इधर में अपन कर देगा, ठीक है, तो ये है. And now the most important, the micro structure, right? So माइक्रो स्ट्रक्चर प्रोडक्ट, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था कि कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हें माउंट करना पड़ेगा, इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा, या सबको ये करना पड़ेगा, तो ऑब्वियसली उसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए ना, तुमको बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए जिसके ऊपर ये माइक्रो सेंसर, माइक्रो एक्चुएटर्स और बहुत सारी सी चीजें तुम माउंट कर सकते हो, राइट? सो like yes, so this is the microstructure, right? But what happens, like डे बाई डे क्या होता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी इंक्रीज करती गई, जो मशीनिंग प्रोसेस थी या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस थी उसमें बहुत सारे से डेवलपमेंट होते गए, ठीक है? एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल स्ट्रक्चर्स कैन बी बिल्ट ऑन द सरफेस और चिप, राइट? सो ये जो छोटे छोटे से जो स्ट्रक्चर्स डेवलप होते चले गए, तो इन सबको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, माइक्रो स्ट्रक्चर, नैनो स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है ना? इन्हीं के ऊपर उसके बाद क्या होगा, एमईएमएस जो डिवाइसेस है या एमईएमएस सिस्टम को डेवलप किया जाएगा या फैब्रिकेट किया जाएगा, राइट? सो दीज आर द फोर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट like component of this MEMS or NMS devices, right? तो अच्छा, अगर हम बात करते हैं ट्रांसड्यूसर की, कि ट्रांसड्यूसर होता क्या है, ठीक है? अगर आप डिफाइन करना चाह रहे हो कि ट्रांसड्यूसर क्या होता है, how can you define this transducer? So transducer is a device that transforms one form of signal or energy into the another form. Okay, yes, one form of signal or energy, like you got that electrical energy, right? Yeah, electrical signal. Now you want to convert it into the mechanical or an like electronic signal, right? So one form to the another form, right? So by using transducer you can convert it, okay? So and these, अगर ट्रांसड्यूसर की बात कर रहे हैं तो it used to include like both sensors and actuators, and is the most generic and widely used term, right? So like sensors भी वही करते हैं. Sensor क्या करता है, it will gather the data, like it can take the mechanical, like force उसने किया, the force को उसके बाद वो एनालॉग सिग्नल में कन्वर्ट कर दे रहा है, लाइक टेम्परेचर उसने सेंस किया, ठीक है, सेंसर ने टेम्परेचर को सेंस किया या हीट को सेंस किया या हीट फ्लो को सेंस किया, एंड देन नाउ इट कैन कन्वर्ट दैट हीट एंड हीट फ्लो इनटू द another signal, right? So these are type of a transducer. If you want to like go through the sensor, so yeah, how can you define the sensor? So sensor, you can define it as a like device, or you can say the system. Yes, that measures the information from the surrounding. As I told you, okay, it measures the information from the surrounding and provide an electrical output signal in response to that parameter that was measured, right? अपना इलेक्ट्रिकल आउटपुट सिग्नल दे देगा और बट व्हाट हैपेंस लाइक जैसे जैसे डेवलपमेंट्स होते गए या वो करते गए वैसे सेंसर्स में भी डेवलपमेंट होते गए एक्चुएटर्स में भी डेवलपमेंट होते गए ठीक है सो सेंसर्स लाइक लाइक वो बहुत सारे से उसमें जैसे बहुत सारे से लाइक सेंसर्स कर सकते हैं जैसे मैकेनिकल की बात करें तो फोर्स सेंस करेगा प्रेशर सेंस करेगा वेलोसिटी सेंस करेगा acceleration and position these are the physical parameters that a sensor can a mechanical sensor can sense and it convert those data into the electrical output signal okay if I talk about thermal sensing then temperature entropy heat and heat flow if I talk about chemical sensing then it can either like it can sense the change in the concentration change in the composition change in the reaction rate so it can also be sensed if there is a little bit change in the composition like so that change can be converted into the electrical output signal right so yes these are the things that can be like that can be uh, included into the sensor right so yes so this was the like the main these were the main components so if anybody asks you like what are the major component of this MEMS system so one can answer like yes it have four very essential or very basic components that are the microelectronics microsensor micro actuators and microstructures right where the microelectronics act as the brain of this MEMS system. Microsensors act as the eyes, nose, and arms of a MEMS system, and the microstructure, microactuator, it is used as a trigger or a switch to activate an external device, and microstructure is a structure or it's a basic thing on which these microelectronics, microsensor, and microactuators are mounted or assembled right uh, assembled and the final products we can get the MEMS system right so so these are the major major components of this MEMS system again in the next like next video we'll go through the what is the historical background of these MEMS technologies how the how the developments occurred in the past and how the developments or researches are going on or were there in the past and what are the different developments happened and revolution like revolution development revolutionary developments happened in the past and how the things flows in a proper manner in case of MEMS and NAMS so we'll discuss this the background historical background of the MEMS technologies in the next video thank you